How to make tabs in the Shopify product page. Well, to do this, we have to go to the App Store first. We can click on here on the left where it says apps. And I'm just gonna scroll down, go to recommended apps into the Shopify store. And then you want to look for this one here which says tabs SEO product tabs with AI. As it says here, it's built for Shopify, so you should have no issues with this app. Once you download it, it will say open app. We'll just go to this one and it will redirect us to the app. And once we're in here, it will ask us to enable the app extension. So you just click on this one. It will redirect us again to our store. And what we have to do now is make sure this is selected. It should look like this. And then you want to press on save here in the top right corner. And just click on save. And now we can go back to the previous tab. Here where it says set up product tabs, with where we want to go. We click on set up product tabs. It will take us to this window. You can see this will automatically create tabs directly from the product description, so you don't have to worry about that. We can leave the heading type as H5 for now. The default tab title can be description, and include the first tab in the tabs block. This is gonna stay like that. You can also do a lot of different other things like create shared tabs if you click on this one, or you can customize your tabs, and a whole lot of other different things. So I really recommend you use this app to create new tabs in Shopify. It will really help you with that. And that's how you make tabs in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.